Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. This is a Sunday night video. We are going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and Shib. And guys, I am sorry about yesterday. I didn't post a video last night. It was the first time I haven't posted a video, pretty much since I started this channel in 3 months. Um, I was at a family barbecue, so I didn't get home till late. So I do apologize about that. So I didn't post a video last night, but we're getting into things right now. We have this little trend right here that I drew that we got rejected on Bitcoin. So I'd like to see eventually at some point this trend break. Now we are on the 4-hour candle. I am going to go to the daily, but this would be the line where I want to see hold up. Let's see if it holds up right now as I'm doing the video. And it doesn't. Maybe it looks like it's going to bounce here. Uh, mm, no, maybe. I'll try to get this video out as quick as I can, guys. I wanted to see how this daily candle was going to close. Oh, we are getting the bounce right as we speak. So maybe we get a bounce here. If this doesn't hold up, let's see what we have on the daily real quick. Then we don't want to see a new low at 54,100. So let's get rid of this. Okay. Now this was an ugly candle, guys. This candle looks really disgusting. So could we see a temporary downside? Yeah. But it's Bitcoin. Anything can happen. Like I said, there could be a tweet, a pump, anything, or we get a bounce right here, like we're getting, almost pretty much off the line that I just did. I just try to prepare this video, guys, for you guys right now. But if this doesn't hold and we get a 4-hour candle closing under the 54,400 level, then yeah, we can actually bring it down because we're about 20 bucks off. So if that 54,400 level doesn't hold, then yeah, I'd be looking for 54,100. If that doesn't hold, then we're probably going to go down to 53 and test that 53,600 level. Okay. To the upside, I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 54,800. If that happens, then we do have a chance to get back above the 55,280 area. Actually, I don't know why I had that. Oh, that must have been okay. No, I made a mistake there. I'm sorry, guys. I would actually want to see us get a back above um, 55,500 area. Okay, we are getting a nice little bounce here, guys. So I'm gonna get this video out as quick as I can. Um, wow. Okay. Now let's see if we can get above this solid candle right here and maybe get a nice little reversal going on. All right. This is on the daily, so let's see what happens here. Let's go to Ethereum, guys. Oh, look, Ethereum's bouncing right off my line here. My area. Look, guys, I had my area was 33.78 and 33.66, and we're bouncing right in between it. So it does look like we're getting a bounce. Now, if this doesn't hold, then yeah, we could see 33.40 area to 32.71 to even possibly 32.16 or even 31.51. Okay, if that doesn't hold, 4-hour candles closing under those areas, guys. At least one of them. Okay, to get this thing to go down. To the upside, I want to see us get back above a 4-hour candle close above. Let's just say 35 or 34,500 even, and then maybe 34. We can just bring that out because we're about $10 off there. So 34.80. Around that area, I'd like to see a 4-hour candle closing above there, and then maybe we can get a nice pop to the upside again, and then 34.50, and then we're back in my box here at 36.48 and 36.74 area. Okay, so that's to the upside. To the downside, I read you guys those for Ethereum. Sorry, I'm rushing this a little bit, but it looks like we're getting a nice bounce. Okay, I had 23, it bounced off of 21, and I could see probably why from back here on the 4 hours. There's actually, is there a candle there? Yeah, and we bounced off the 100 moving average on the 4 hour as well. So we are seeing a bounce here, guys. So let's see what happens. I wish I would have done this video just a little bit earlier. I do apologize, guys. I was trying to get the close to see what would happen. But yeah, look at this. We are getting the bounce. Look at that. Boom. Right as I was doing the video, guys. Unbelievable. Matic. Let's go to Matic. Okay, so Matic. It looks like we're getting a bounce. We do get a 4-hour candle closing. Let's say above $1.25 would look nice. Then we could go up to $1.27, $1.30, and then get back up into this $1.35 range, and maybe hit my $1.44, which we hit as our high as the target. But it does look like a nice little reversal here. Okay, to the downside, I would like to see us hold this $1.22 area. Is that what we have? Well, we had $1.22. Basically, yeah, $1.22. So we had it right. All right, so $1.22, and then our box down here would be my buy zone if it does drop down here, or look for a potential buy. And I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But anywhere from $1.17 to $1.15, and if that doesn't hold, then yeah, I'd be looking for 111 to 109. Okay, that's on Matic. And we talked about the upside. Cardano, we kind of broke this trend, hit our target perfect. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this. Oops. Because that's when Bitcoin started going down. We hit our target perfect coming out of this trend here that we had. Boom, nailed the target. We kind of just been stagnant, trading sideways in my zone. Came back, we retested our trend right here, and we got a bounce. Okay, so let's see if this bounce holds up. It looks like everything's bouncing, which is nice. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Wow, nice bounce. Nice bounce. All right, so Cardano to the upside, 217, 225, 227. If we clear that, I would like to eventually see us get past this 237, 240 area and then get up to 250. To the downside, nice little zone would be anywhere from 210 to 206. If that doesn't hold, let's say 202 to 197 area, and then 190 to 187. Okay, and if that doesn't hold, then 170. I don't know if we're going to get down there though. But so that's Cardano. Let's look to the upside, or let's look at Solana. I'm sorry. Let's look at Solana. Solana, we're getting a bounce. Oh, pretty much off my line at 145. I know it says 144.98, but guys, it's pretty much 145. So 145, we are getting a bounce. Let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle closing back above. Let's just say 150. We're going to get rid of the 149. Let's get an hour candle or 4-hour candle closing above 150, and then get it back above 152. And then we're going to look for 156, 160, and then try to retest this area up here, anywhere from 168 to 170 actually, because we kind of, this was our area to get out. I had 167 and we got up to 168. So I was just a little bit off there. We can keep that box, guys. And that would be a target still, I think, in my opinion. To the downside, 145 doesn't hold up. Then, yeah, I'd be looking at 140 and 134 area. And if that doesn't hold, 121 to 116. All right. So that's for Solana. SHIB. SHIB, we had our area of resistance right here in my purple box. We hit it. This is on the 4-hour chart. So we hit the resistance, came down, try to retest it, failed. And now it looks like we are getting a nice bounce. So let's see if we can get it back above 27, get a 4-hour candle closing above there to try to retest our zone right around 2769 and 2797, and then look for 2873 to 2853. See if we can clear that zone, and then we'll look for the 2950 and the 3,000 even, or whatever you want to say. I don't want to add all those zeros; it's just too much. And then if we do break that, then I would look for the 32.39 and the 32.99. Okay. Now, if all this breaks down, 2366, 2276, and then our last line of defense would be the 2029 area. And if that doesn't hold, I'm looking for this area to be a good spot to maybe get in, well, which would be around 1785 to 1655. Okay, to me, this would be a great area to purchase SHIB. Okay, but right now, let's see, we're getting a bounce. Is everything bouncing? Are we failing? No, it looks. I mean, it's bouncing. Let's see if it continues, guys. Let's see if we can break above here and keep this thing going. If not, and we fail, then we could come back down. And if that happens, then yeah, we could see lower. So just keep that in mind. Let's see what happens. I'm going to get this video out to you guys so you guys can see if we can get any kind of closures above our areas here for more continuation. And then you guys now know the downside targets just in case. Now you want to see candles closing under those targets, not wicking, guys, closing. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I think that's it for tonight's video. I know it's a little quick. And I do apologize about yesterday. I just got home so late, just doing one last check. So I do apologize about that. Is there any kind of trends we can draw up here, guys? Do we see any patterns? A lot of sideways action. I mean, maybe you can draw something like this. We'll trend here. See if that breaks. This is on SHIB. Save that. Let's go. Okay. This is on Solana. Let's see if we can get a little trend here. Draw this trend from here to here. Oh, yeah, that's a nice trend. Okay. See if that breaks. Now get that candle closing and then retesting. If you get a candle that comes out of here, guys, like this, say you get a candle that comes out of here and falls back into the pattern, that's no good. Okay, that's a danger sign. Now, if you get a candle that comes out of these patterns, okay, closes, let's say an hour or 4 hours better, but then it comes back in a retest and bounce, that's what you want to see. That's confirmation. What you don't want to see is a candle closing and then you buy thinking that, oh, it's going to sky. And then all of a sudden that next candle falls back into the pattern. And then, it's not looking good for you. So just keep that in mind, guys, when we talk about breaking these patterns, what to look for. Okay. Bigger the time frame, the better, always. So just keep that in mind. Now that is for Solana. So we're going to look at Cardano. Do we have anything on Cardano? Okay. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Perfect here. Looks like we got like this. Oh, we can keep that line. It looks like we got a little wedge here. Now, this is more of a bullish pattern. We could fall farther into the pattern, guys, and then break to the upside. But yeah, we could. This looks like it could break to the upside at some point, but we could go down farther in this pattern. So be aware of that. Also, so this is okay. Let's see, Matic. What do we got? Matic. Get rid of this. That just didn't have enough. That just didn't have enough juice. I was actually playing around on the charts with that one. It just didn't have enough juice. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Boom, boom. Oh, I don't like the way I drew that line. It's a little off. Hold on. Redraw it real quick. What are we on? Matic. All right. Maybe a nice bump and run here. We got our 2 touch points. So maybe on the 4 hour, we trade a little sideways until we get that bump and run, and then maybe we can bust up to the upside. Does look like we're getting reversal candles. Let's see if they hold. Ethereum. Nice reversal, guys. This is a nice candle. Let's see if it keeps going. Let's see what we got here. Maybe this is on the 4 hour. What's going on here? Double click. 4 hour. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's our most touch points right there. All right, so let's see if we dance around here and then break the trend. but we definitely want to break this trend. Okay, so that's what we have for Ethereum. Let's see if this holds up. Bitcoin, this is on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, see if we can see anything. 4 hour, not really. Huh, I do actually see. We'll look at the 1 hour too in a minute, but let's see what we got here. Oh, nope, didn't want to do that. Where is my, oh, there we go. Okay, let's see, Bitcoin. Yeah, you can see where we bounced off this trend. I mean, we had my line, and then I drew the trend. Look at that. Perfect, guys. That's a nice bounce. So let's see if this holds up. Now, if this fails, guys, that's when we could see this thing dropping. Okay, so if these fail these trends, then we could see this thing dropping. So we're kind of in this channel right now. We could go higher in this channel, or we can break this channel, roll over. Okay, so we could dance around this channel and then break it, or if we do roll over and break down under this channel, get a 4 hour candle close, what you'd want to see is one of these levels hold up and then get back up into the channel. Now, if it bounces and we get rejected on this trend line and we come back down, that'll be bearish. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. That's how you want to look at it. And I think that's it for tonight's video. Guys, I do apologize about yesterday. I had some family in town, like I said, and it was a busy night, so I didn't get it out to you, and I do apologize. But I love all you guys. I wish all you guys well. I'm going to put a link to my Twitter in the description. Also, I'm going to put a link to Webull down there so you guys can get some free shares and maybe some free SHIB on Webull. If you guys sign up to my link, you deposit $100, you get some free shares. You can sell those shares, get some SHIB for free. If you do share, you also get bonuses as well. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. Much love to all you guys. I'm going to get this video out to you guys just to see if this holds up or we do get a bounce. So much love to you guys. Peace out.